Wedge Gate Valve. The trim of Wedge Gate Valve is wedge, which is vertical to medium flow direction. Gate valve can only be fully open or closed and cannot be used as adjusting valve. Wedge gate valve can be a unique type called inflexible disc and can also be a flexible wedge. Gate valve, on the low pressure occasion, disc is forced to set to guarantee a sealing, while disc is forced to contact another seat by high pressure condition. There is a slot structure inside the cavity to make sure the disc will not rotate under pressure, and also guarantee there is no friction before close position between seat and disc, thus reduces frictions on sealing phase. Wedge gate valve has the following advantages. 1. Small flow resistance. Sealing phase suffers less flush and corrosion. 2. Low torque operation. Easy operation. 3. Direction of medium is not limited, not generate disturbed flow and not reduce medium pressure. 4. Simple structure. Short face-to-face dimension. Process precisely and widely applicable. The main technical specification of wedge gate valve. Design standards: API 600, GBT 12234, DN 2 inches to 48 inches, DN 50 to DN 1200, PN class 150 to class 1500. Body material: carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy, etc. Operation: manual, gear, motor, etc. Product fabrication is strictly according to API 600. Main characteristics: 1. Product fabrication is strictly according to API 600. Full port design, on full open position. Valve disc is higher than flow direction to guarantee flow smoothly. Reduce pressure loss, high transmission efficiency. 2. Full carbon material valve. Seat is forged, high density, good sealing capacity. Sealing phase use 13 CR or stellite hard alloy material. Overlay net thickness is over 2 mm. Valve seat is threaded or welded on the valve body, easy to maintain and assemble. 3. Adopt rising stem. Stem and disc is connected by a T-shaped groove. T-head and stem is forged together to guarantee enough connection strength. Flexible disc structure can avoid stuck caused by heat inflation. 4. Back seal design will protect packing when valve is fully open. Packing is flexible graphite, good sealing capacity, and also venting system is available. Packing bush and gland are bolt structure. Pressure process will enable the stem to automatically centralize, avoiding the stem stuck. 5. Bolted bonnet structure and thick hex nut fastening parts will ensure reliable function. Gasket adopt flexible graphite twist stainless steel or octagonal ring to get good sealing effect. 6. Top entry nut design assures that when the valve is open, even if demount the hand wheel, stem and disc will not fall down. Stem is made by aluminium, bronze, and both sides set bearing. All these made the valve easy to operate.